The unfortunate lesson from the Greece situation for Ireland is that Sinn Fe, like Syriza, could have taken us over the cliff. Mr. Adams made plain that the Troika should take a hike and take their money with them. And, you know, they've made several versions of that speech, as if we could simply walk away and that somehow, from somewhere, someone would pop up to pay our way, to pay our debts. And that won't happen. And, you know, I think the significance of it is, I think there's a significant sliver of the Irish people out there who believe that somewhere in the back of their heads there is a conviction that there was an easier way, that there was an alternative way to what this present government has done. They don't know for certain what it is, but they just feel they don't like this and they think there was a better way. And then along comes a government of a member state that has challenged the orthodoxy within the European Union, within the Eurozone at any rate. And, you know, it's played out before our eyes, and that prescription hasn't worked. So I draw a clear distinction between my concern about what's happening in Greece and the lessons that I think the Irish people should draw for the situation here.